U.S. military base UFOs could be next-generation Chinese drones. Former UFO chief Dr. Sean Kirkpatrick has offered up a possible explanation for some military UAP sightings. Dr. Kirkpatrick, who previously headed up the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, at the United States Department of Defense, has suggested that mysterious spherical objects sighted over U.S. military bases along the East Coast could be high-tech Chinese drones. Witness testimonies have often described these objects as perfectly spherical and silver or metallic in appearance with no discernible means of propulsion. Interestingly, the idea of a drone resembling a metallic sphere is not that far-fetched. Pictures posted online, for instance, show a drone prototype developed by academics in Singapore in 2022 that seems to match the UAP description almost perfectly. Footage by Swiss-based drone maker Flyability also demonstrates a similar design, with the drone's mechanisms contained within the spherical gimbal. The idea behind the design is to provide a buffer of sorts to help the drone avoid damage during collisions with physical objects. When the entire thing is contained within a spherical external shell, it would appear, for all intents and purposes, like an anomalous, featureless sphere floating eerily around. Whether or not drones like these explain any of the UAP sightings, however, remains a matter of debate. This is from Mail Online, and it's on Unexplained Mysteries by T.K. Randall. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.